After this homeowner in Milltown, New Jersey found active termites in the doorframe of his garage, he immediately called our office for a termite treatment and a Sentricon installation. First, we started drilling around the exterior of the home to install our termite bait stations. After drilling, we installed Sentricon and made sure that they were sufficiently below grass level so that the baiting units won't be damaged during landscaping. When termites come in contact with this bait system, they're going to eat the cellulose material, unknowingly consuming an insect growth inhibitor. The termites will then share this application with the other colony members. The growth inhibitor then takes over and prevents the termites from being able to molt. If they can't molt, then the colony is exterminated. Next, we drilled into the concrete surrounding the garage and the home and injected a liquid termiticide. This product will bind to the treated area and create a protective zone that the termites can't detect. They will come in contact with the termiticide as they go about their normal routines and transfer it throughout their colony. In a short amount of time, the termites will be exterminated. After we're done treating the property, we're going to plug and fill each drill hole we made. Now the home is properly protected from termites for many years to come.